Has this ever happened to you? You check your bank balance and see a transaction you don't recognize. That moment of panic, that feeling of being exposed, is something no one wants. It's a reminder of a sobering reality. Fraud attempts are always on the rise, and your financial security depends on your bank being one step ahead of the criminals. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to look at how EverBank protects your hard-earned money by actively monitoring for suspicious activity. It's not just a person watching a screen, it's a robust, multi-layered system designed to keep your funds safe. The first and most powerful defense is automated transaction monitoring. This system uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to constantly analyze every transaction, looking for patterns that look out of the ordinary. It's checking for things like a large purchase immediately after a long period of inactivity, or a series of transactions happening from a brand new geographic location. If your card, for instance, is suddenly used in 2 different states within 5 minutes, that automatically raises a red flag. Second, EverBank provides you with crucial custom account alerts. These are a proactive defense where you become the front line of security. You can set up real-time email or text alerts for activity like withdrawals over a certain amount, a low balance, or even a large purchase. This way, if something suspicious happens, you know about it instantly and can report it right away. In the digital world, login and authentication security is paramount. EverBank utilizes features like multi-factor authentication, which might include a one-time passcode sent to your phone, especially for high-risk actions like setting up a wire transfer or making changes to your profile. This extra step ensures that even if a fraudster has your password, they can't access your account. The system can even use mobile device identifiers and location data to help confirm your identity and prevent fraudulent logins. Finally, while technology handles the speed and scale, human review remains essential. If the automated system flags an unusual transaction, a trained EverBank security expert reviews the activity. They assess the risk level, investigate the pattern, and if necessary, contact you directly to verify the transaction before any loss occurs. These combined efforts, the fast detection of technology and the thoughtful validation of people, create a comprehensive shield against fraud and identity theft, giving you the confidence to bank securely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.